Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, we continue at the High Court in Pretoria. Hey, bakuthi sihlalele nangubaba who's 80 years old, Urata, and the mayors are just like they are tired of this guy. They're like, Mndonjalo. Uswiso Mayor was just saying the other day. Because he will come back to court to make a ruling. He says he's misdirected himself around the statement. I'm just like, Lobotulo. So Rata is changing his ruling in favor of Advocate Baloyi. Goba Phela, Advocate Baloyi, he's the boss, literally, in that court. You know. So we will see again what goes on. But otherwise, Nomnisi was just like, no. Mina ngeke ngize ngidlale nini busy uNtanzi usho lokhu, you guys are saying that, and uNtanzi is refusing. Not refusing, guys. I think that's not the way or refute, you know. That's not the way. It's more like Ntanzi is just like telling a story. That's how I put it, because we don't know Ntanzi's story, guys. We were not choked it in, you remember? We were not put plastic over our heads, so we wouldn't know Ntanzi must tell a story, and Ubalo continues to read. But we're hoping, Oguti, this coming week, you will have to stop busy interrogating Ntanzi. Ntanzi is tired by now. And you can say whatever you want. There were people in the house. There were people that came to your house. That wasn't me though. There could have been people that came into the house, as Pekininda and Maloyi, but that wasn't me. So I don't care what you do with that information. You can tell me, I'm listening, because there was a time was like, no, because really, guys, what must you do? Or say busy, forcing you to say stuff, you know. You see why I always now say these days, Lo has gone too far. Like, ufuna manje Ntanzi speculative for Uraphat. Kera kuphi? Amaphoyisa amakhulu angithi benokinini. Usho njalo vele uNtanzi wathi they must come on. He can't make up decisions, he can't answer for people, he's telling a story. Phela Omnis actually stood up twice on Friday, on the 24th, where also bese kuba indaba futhi kaGwabini. Yeah, and then how do you put Ntanzi there? Ntanzi can apply. Yeah, and Ntanzi does explain. When ever said to Gwabini zanga angfanele, and Ntanzi does actually mention for Gwabini is my friend. Yeah, I don't have a problem. And Gwabini can call me from any number, you know. It doesn't have to be his number, for example. I know Mrs. just like, hey guys, like Balo, you need to stop right some stage.
Again on the same day, 20 November 2018, at 20:06:58, the number of accused number 1 ending 0137 on 20 November 2018 at 20:06:58 receives an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 22 seconds from your number ending 6890, and the tower is Enhlazeni Atlas SGC.
Ngalo futhi lelo langa 20 October 20 November 2018 isikhathi 20:06:58 inamba kaMsola woqala egcina ngo-0137 yathola ucingo olwalubuya ke inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 ama seconds awu-22 itawa u-2G eHlanzeni Atlas SGC 1.
The number of accused number 1 ending 0137 on 20 November 2018 at 21:30:28 makes an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 138 seconds to your number ending 6890, and the Tower is Mudipo Primary School SGC 2.
Asekuthi ke ngazo 20 November 2018 skhathi 21:30 ama seconds awu-28 number kaMsolwa woqala egcina ngo-0137 liyashayela ke inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 ama-seconds awu-138 isikhathi, itower 2G Modipo Primary, SGC 2.
And then again on the same day, 20 November 2018, the number for accused number 1 ending 0137 on 20 November 2018 at 21:58:11 makes an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 68 seconds to Gwabeni's number ending 5812 and the Towers Mudipo Primary.
Wasekuthi ke ngazo futhi i-20 kuNovember 2018 isikhathi 21:58 ama-seconds awu-11 inamba kamsola wokuqala egcina ngo-0137 yashayela-ke inamba kaGwabeni egcina ngo-5812 ama-seconds awu-68 itower 3G Modipo Primary.
Then what is interesting, Mr. Ntanzi, is that on the 21st of November 2018, your number ending 6890 on the 21st of November 2018 at 14:53:31 receives an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 193 seconds from Gwabeni's number ending 5812, and the tower is Western Platinum NGA. So here, Gwabeni is contacting you directly on your number.
Lana ke manje nge-21 November 2018 isikhathi 14:53 ma-seconds awu-31. Lana uGwabeni ke inamba yakhe 0769985812 waxhumana nenamba yakho, wasebenzisa inamba yakho uGwabeni waxhumana nenamba yakho eku 0609016890 itower ke i-Western Platinum NGA 1.
Mina zange ngisho kodwa ukuthi uGwabeni azange ngifonele ngenamba yakhe. Zange ngisho kodwa ukuthi uGwabeni azange ngifonele ngenamba yakhe.
I never said it in court that Gwabeni never contacted me with his number.
There is unfair supposition because there is no evidence. I'm saying that is an unfair supposition because there is no piece of evidence that says Gwabeni personally is the one who contacted Mr. Ntanzi. All that is indicated there is that the number that belongs to Gwabeni contacted the number that was registered or the number that belonged to Mr. Ntanzi. The participants in this communication are yet to be identified.
That is the import of what we are saying.
Lokho kakushoyo wamfukethe umnisi ikona nathi sikushoyo ke ukuthi ke sisho ukuthi inamba ekuyinamba kaGwabeni yaxhumana ke nenamba ekuyinamba yakho noma ebhaliswe ngawe.
Mina lapha ngokho ngangcono emhlabeni nje uGwabeni azange ngifonele.
It would have been better if I had said to the court, my lord, that Gwabeni never contacted me.
Yes.
Uma engena airtime thathi number kamfowabo uyangifonela. Wayichaza naye lapha ecourt.
If he did not have airtime, my lord, he would then take his brother's phone and then contact me. He also said it here in court.
So are you now saying on those occasions where the number belonging to accused number 1 ending 0137, where there was contact with your number, it was Gwabeni calling you because he did not have airtime?
Ingabo kushoyo ke manje ukuthi ngalamahlandla la khona ke inamba kamsolo wokuqala yayixhumana nenamba yakho kwakuamahlandla la khona ke uGwabeni wayengena airtime.
Mina ngisho njalo phambi kwecourt.
That is what I'm saying before the court.
Ngoba ngeke ngisuke ngithatha inamba kaBhutwana nami ngena airtime. So nje i-airtime ngina ngifonela umuntu enamba kaBhuti ayikhonakala le.
Because there is no way, even with regards to myself, when I do have airtime, where I would just take my brother's phone and call someone when I do have airtime. That is not possible.
Khona manje nale phepha ufade fundela icourt uxhumana kwami noGwabeni. Nokhomba ukuthi airtime wayenayo. That's why ngifonela ngena phone yakhe.
You just referred to this document where there was direct contact between my number and Gwabeni's number, which then indicates that he did have airtime.
Another direct contact between number belonging to Gwabeni and your number was on the 24th of November 2018. Your number ending 6890 on 24 November 2018 at 21:05:23 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 27 seconds to the number belonging to Gwabeni 5812, and the tower there is 2G Marikana NGA.
Lana ke sorry. I-date 24 November 2018 isikhathi 21:05 nama-seconds awu-23. Inamba yakho igcina ngo-6890 yona-ke eyaxhumana-ke nenamba kaGwabeni 5812 nama-seconds awu-27. I-tower i-2G Marikana NGA 2.
Yeah, ngiyakubona.
Yes, I see it.
Yes, what is your comment?
Uthini?
Ngithi phamba kodwa ngiyakubona. Phela uGwabeni ngumngane wami. uGwabeni angimphiki phamba kodwa.
I'm saying I see it. I am not denying that Gwabeni is my friend.
Then the next call that we wish to refer you is on page 72 of 115. It's case ID 103-1320. The number belonging to accused number 1 ending 0137 on the 28th of November 2018 at 15:50 33 seconds makes an outgoing call lasting 79 seconds to Gwabeni's number ending 5812, and the tower is Entlazeni, section M, SGC.